Serving those who have served. That is the goal of the Veterans Affairs Healthcare Enrollment Fair in Scranton. But this year, the fair comes as the federal government is looking to trim VA staff as part of the Trump administration's efforts to limit federal spending. Newswatch 16's Jack Culkin spoke with veterans who say they rely on those services.
Set up along the main concourse inside the marketplace at Steamtown in Scranton, organizations from the county, state, and federal level are ready to help those who have served.
For the past 3 years, we've been putting on an enrollment event here in Scranton for the veterans who are not signed up for VA health care to give them an opportunity to sign up.
John Belogo works for the Wilkes-Barre VA Medical Center, which is run by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. He says the center works with thousands of vets from across the area.
You know, this area has always been heavily military as far as serving your country.
But the Department of Veteran Affairs recently announced reorganization plans, which includes cutting over 80,000 jobs. According to published reports, the decision looks to put the agency back to its 2019 levels of staffing. Another way the Trump administration's Department of Government Efficiency initiative is looking to cut down on federal expenses.
They're as responsive as they possibly can be with the staffing that they have. But if you decrement that staffing any further, it's only going to get worse, and the wait times are going to get longer.
Richard Hansen of DuPont served with the U.S. Navy for more than 2 decades. He's relied on the VA for years and thinks there's other money-saving measures the government can take.
Take a look at these programs with a microscope and be very, very careful about what programs you cut. And I certainly don't think that the VA healthcare system should be one of those programs.
As several veterans came through, Coast Guard veteran Joseph Johnson of Dunmore sat down to enroll in the VA for the first time. He says he's not worried about the potential changes that could come to the Department of Veteran Affairs. He's just looking to get some assistance from a program he knows has helped so many.
My son was in. He's a Iraq veteran, and he was there for a year, and whatever they did, they did a good job.
According to a report published by the VA last year, the organization saw the largest number of new enrollees year over year across all 50 states. Jack Culkin, Newswatch 16, Lackawanna County.